Good morning, guys. I'm gonna show you how to board the Corfu or / Kerkyra line from Igoumenitsa in Greece. So right now, if you film around, you can see that we are waiting in the car. There's no boat, no ferry yet. The ferry will arrive within the next, I don't know, half an hour, hopefully, because we leave in 40 minutes. It's the first time we do this. It's 2021 actually. So we have the thing, you know, we gotta have extra papers, you know, saying that you are vaccinated. I'll bleep that out. Saying that you are, or had a test. We have both actually, but the vaccination doesn't count yet. Passport, and this is a rental car. We're actually not sure if we're allowed to take it on, but we're gonna, you know, take a leap of faith and see what happens. Yeah, nothing more interesting right now. Let's check back in when we are moving, you know, or when we see a boat. I think I actually see a boat coming in the distance there. You won't be able to see it on the camera, but we see it here. We're traveling with a dog as well. Look at this dog. Some stuff coming out of her eyes.
Oh no.
Yeah, I see it. That's our boat. One of those Kerkyra Lines, Corfu. All the cars. I'm gonna drive up here and onto the boat. Come on, man. Boat is turning. Kerkyra Lines, KL. So come to Igoumenitsa and do this. Maybe. Look at all the people out there, you know? They're excited.
A lot of cars inside, they're gonna come out.
Yeah. Unfortunately. So their vacation is over, or first stop of their vacation is over. At least they're not on Corfu anymore. That's for sure. Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα.
Ναι.
Mask on, put the mask.
This is how it looks like inside the ship. Easy, you go inside, you make a U-turn, like you drive all the way, and then you come so you're facing ready to go out again. So basically first in, first out, if this logic is normal. Put the handbrake for sure, you know, make it tight, and see you upstairs. ready, like all the rest of the people. Hopefully nobody, especially the guy in front of us, hopefully he comes. So we'll have to wait for him. This is how you go with a ferry boat from Igoumenitsa, Greece to Corfu, Greece. Plain and simple. I would advise you to come like 40 minutes to an hour before to the port of Igoumenitsa to make sure you know which gate the boat will arrive at.
And wait in line in front.
And wait in the line. I don't know.
It's starting to
Truck
go out.
moving. Car behind the truck moving. People have been told to wait. Our dog is okay.
Sleeping.
Maybe we're not first after all.
No. Dog is sleeping.
I don't know. I can't see anything with these sunglasses. But I can't see anything without them, so either everything is dark, either everything is blurry. So
Take your decision.
I choose dark because we're going towards the sun. Okay, it's our turn.
Yep. Okay, so now we get out. We're gonna turn off, and
Yeah, that's how you get to Corfu with a car from Igoumenitsa. Signing off. See you.